Alright guys, so today I'm going to finally do it. I'm going to be creating the first ever urban lifestyle bar, and hopefully I can get 10 pours out of this today.
And hopefully he doesn't burn the house down today.
I already have it running, and matter of fact, I also have the 2 silver in there. I don't know if you guys can see it in there, but 2 ounces so far. So it's gonna be 2-ounce bar, urban lifestyle bar. I mean, yeah, I know the wording kind of left me there a little bit, but yeah, that's exactly what we're gonna do. Let's stay tuned. Alright, so here are some of the things that we're gonna need. We're gonna need a furnace, an electric furnace for me. We're gonna need some protection gloves.
And we're gonna need the fire department.
We're gonna need this little long tube thing to actually obtain it and pour it. We're gonna need a nice background. Well, not background, something to put the mold on. And matter of fact, we're not gonna use that mold. We're gonna use this mold right here, a 2-ounce graphite mold. And we're gonna need a torch to actually take some of the moisture out. Right there. Let's go ahead and do that. Yeah, I feel like Picasso. And we're gonna need a whole bunch of silver. And to be honest with you, I'm gonna be melting all my 1 grams of silver as well. And I know what you guys may be saying. Don't do that. I mean, if anything happens, you're gonna need the fractional silver to actually do something with it and, you know, barter with. But let's be real. Let me take this camera and put it on me. Let's be real. I have a furnace. I can make any quantity size of silver I want. Not to be bragging or anything. We're gonna need my e-cigarette thingy thing here. Yep, that's good right there. That's good, real good. And that's pretty much all we need. Oh, we can't forget some water to actually dump it into. We're here waiting for this to actually burn my 2 ounce of silver. Pour it in there, dump it in the water, put more in there, keep on going, and we're gonna try to see if we get 10 out of it. All right? And guys, I actually did one. This is how it looked right here, and I actually carved my initials on there. I might remelt it or anything. Who knows? I don't know. But anyways, guys, if you guys want to support the Urban Lifestyle channel, you guys can actually email me at urbanlifestyle1989@gmail.com and actually hit me up. Let me know if you want to purchase one of these, and I'll let you know how the prices work and all. And that does show some huge appreciation and support to this channel. Thank you guys so much. But I'm going to show you guys the finished product at the end of this video. So I guess let's just start pouring some of these bars. All right, so let's go to the first one. Ooh, that's hot. Oh man. Let's get this right here. Oops.
Oh my gosh, the house is on fire. Oh my gosh, call 911. The house is on fire.
Oh man, hate when that happens. Dropped a lot of silver on the floor, guys. That sucks. I said I was gonna do 10, but I can't because I can't fit these in there. Only bars can go in there.
But I have an idea. So I decided to melt the coins. And once I melt them, it's gonna shrink just a tad bit. Well, not shrink, it's gonna actually discombobulate. And I can actually fit it inside the furnace to actually melt. All right, see? That's quick thinking, guys.
Hey, so are you guys ready to see the new Urban Lifestyle bars? Drum roll, please. All right, let's go. We have Urban Lifestyle bar number 1, and I'm gonna be putting the numbers on there every time I actually pour a bar. So this is the first one I've ever poured, and this would be a nice one to have. This is the very first, number 1. So I don't care if I have to write the whole top with 1,000, a million numbers if I get to ever pour that much, but who knows. So this is the very first one ever poured, and it comes in at 3.6 right here in the back, the way I do it. And I flipped it around because you guys know I really hate with a passion having my coins like that. Where you flip it forward and then you have to go around, and then once you go to the back, you have to flip it back around to actually see the content on the back. But I'm actually putting the month and the year. So this was on December 2018. All right, and you can see the mintage. Well, not mintage. I don't know why I keep on saying mintage, but you can see the ounce right there on the back as well. Okay, and that's the Urban Lifestyle Bar number 1. Number 2 comes in at 2.6. Looks nice. Right there, 2.6 on the back, same thing on the back right there. Okay, number 3, it's a bit, you guys can see, has some deformities in there. I accidentally put the 3 a bit forward. I don't know, you guys think I should remelt it, or you guys think it's good as is? Like, it's good as far as the mistake. The only Urban Lifestyle Bar that may have a mistake on it. All right, and you guys see, the reason I like this is because it looks like a crater, it looks like a landmass, like that asteroid hits right here and then it just deformed the land right there. So that's why I like this one, you know. All right, so number 4, this one I try to keep it in the rock tumble for like 3 hours and it just wouldn't come out for some reason, but I think it's just in there. It is way cleaner than normal. Okay, put it to the back and we see it's 3.3 right there. And let's go to number 5. All right, we put this right there, flip it around the back. December, I kind of made a mistake right there, but I think you guys wouldn't mind. I don't mind. Right there, and it comes in at 3.1. Number 6 comes in with a huge crater right there. Comes in at 2.1. Number 7, 2.2, and number 8. I like the shape that this one came out in. I guess this was the last one, and it is the smallest ounce I have here thus far at 1.6 right here. You guys can see the deformities of the bar. It's not fully shaped, but you know, I kind of like it. It's different. Right here, December 2018, and 1.6 right there. But guys, if you guys are interested in getting some of these Urban Lifestyle bars, just hit me up on my email. I'll let you know how the pricing goes and all that. So that's Urban Lifestyle 1989 at gmail.com. That's Urban Lifestyle, or Urban Lifestyle 1989 at gmail.com. And I did pour a night bar, but I kind of made a mistake. I just put U-Ban. And this one is grounds because, you know, it's too much of a mistake right here. So I don't even know how much this one comes in. Matter of fact, let's test it out. Make sure it's at 0. All right, let's see how much does this weigh right here. 2.4 ounces. Okay, so I'm gonna remelt this one and do it even better. But let me know what you guys think. It does help out the channel if you guys want your own Urban Lifestyle bar. These are the first 8 of them, so it's first come, first serve. Whoever chooses, whoever pays for them, they get it right off back. And I'm gonna let you guys know. Just remember, if you guys want to know about the pricing, just hit me up and go to my Instagram. I think I'm gonna actually post the same pictures, but I'm gonna put the pricing on here. Okay, so you guys can see it on my Instagram. If not, just hit me up on my email, Urban Lifestyle 1989. All right, but it is nice for my first time pouring. It is only gonna get better from here. You guys seen all my mistakes actually trying to pour these things, and now this is like way better than my first attempt. All right, but guys, thank you guys so much for being part of this journey. It really helps out. If you do want to support the channel, you guys know the email is also down in the description below. My PayPal information is down in the description below. Just email me, let me know, and have a wonderful day.
That Urban Lifestyle guy has no idea what he's talking about, and now he's making bars. Ah, man, he almost burned the house down. You remember that? I mean, this guy right here, I don't know if he knows what he's talking about, honestly. I mean, he's just, come on, he's just saying some stuff that makes sense, but at the same time, he does the opposite. He's just real stupid. Like, oh, come on. Eli, how you doing, man? Hey, man, you my favorite YouTuber, bro. I mean, no lie, hands down. Hey, I want to buy some of your Urban Lifestyle bars, man. How much are they again? I want to get them now, please.
That's why I work and grind.